What's going on, fadedculture? This is Sergio Barron, and we're back again with another tutorial. Today it's going to be on a low fade, a bar low fade. I did keep these steps a little short and simple for y'all, so let me know at the end what y'all think about it down in the comment section. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, first and foremost, the most important tip of all is going to be here to subscribe to our channel, as that does help us out with the content we put out for y'all. Now to start this low fade, we're going to start with our trimmer to lay down our first guideline, maybe about a centimeter above the ear, curving down towards the back. Then we're going to grab our clipper, open the lever, and with the same line as before, staying consistent with it, we're going to come up about another centimeter or finger in length up high. Next, we're grabbing our one guard, and then I'm gonna open the lever, and the same exact step, I'm gonna flick out, coming up about another centimeter high. Okay, now we're grabbing the two guard with the open lever. That's a 2.5. And we're gonna stay consistent with the previous guidelines, coming up about another centimeter or a finger in length up high. Okay, now with the 3.5, that's a 3 with the lever open, we're gonna come straight up. As opposed to following the curvature of the head, we're gonna think of the head as a square shape and flick upwards. Think of you flicking up into the ceiling. And next with the 4.5, we're going to do the exact same thing we did with the 3.5, taking out the rest of the bulk, just going straight up into the top of the length of the hair. Okay, now we're going to start blending out that top guideline. I'm going to grab the 1.5 clip, open the lever, then close it a tad bit to 3/4 and start blending out that top guideline. Okay, here I see a little bit of dark spots above that guideline, so I'm gonna open the lever all the way and just start picking out any dark spots that I see. Remember to just finesse the clipper in any angles that you need to achieve any blending you need to do. And next I'm gonna grab the half clip and open it to about 3/4 and doing the exact same thing to this middle guideline. Just flick out until it's blended away. Okay, next to finish taking out that middle guideline, I'm gonna grab my one guard, open it to about 3/4 and start blending out that middle guideline. And remember guys, every hair is gonna be different, so if you feel you need to open or close the lever a little bit more, then do so, and then just keep finessing the clipper in several different angles until you get out any little dark spots you see in front of you. Next, we're coming in with a 0, that's the clipper with no guard and a closed lever, and start blending out this last guideline. Make sure you keep brushing the hair down, that way you always have a clean workspace and you see exactly what you're doing. Next, I'm gonna open the lever halfway and keep blending up a little bit more. Okay, next, to finish taking out all these dark spots, I'm gonna open the lever all the way and start blending at everything I see that's dark. Okay, next I'll grab the trimmers to shape out the temple area of the hairline, and then I will take out the rest of the excess hair that was left behind before I come in with the electric shaver to shave out the whole blend. Remember to use the electric shaver as a pair of clippers as well, so as you come up to the blend, make sure you flick out. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to do the exact same process on the opposite side of the head as well as the back. Okay, here to blend down his beard, I'm gonna use my fingers to set down my guidelines. I will start with a half, then I will use a 1.5, and then a 2.5, and then I will come back in and start blending out those guidelines. I'm basically doing the exact same steps I did on the fade, except here we're just fading downwards. And since my boy don't like any hard lines on the top of his beard, I'm gonna just come in with a half and lighten up the cheek hair. Okay, next we're gonna start doing the lineup and detail work. Make sure when doing this, you be real gentle and let the clipper do the work. Make sure you don't dig in the clipper as you can irritate the skin. Last, I will apply some type of shaving gel or something to moisturize the skin before coming in with a straight razor and shaving out all the excess hair. Last, I will apply a little bit of hair enhancements just to bring out the hairline. This part is optional. So that's it for this tutorial, guys, on a low ball fade. Let me know down in the comments section what y'all think about it. And thank y'all for watching. Again, this is Sergio Barron, Faded Culture. I'm out.